Good day. Today, we will discuss the exile, trial, and death of Rizal. But first, who is Jose Rizal? Jose Rizal was a Filipino nationalist, writer, and revolutionary who is widely considered the national hero of the Philippines. He played a crucial role in the country's fight for independence from Spanish colonial rules in the late 19th century, mainly through his writing and peaceful advocacy rather than armed struggles. Jose Rizal, born in June 19, 1861 in Calamba, Laguna, Philippines.
July 6, 1892. After returning to the Philippines and forming La Liga Filipina, a peaceful reformist organization, Rizal was arrested by Spanish authorities. They accused him of inciting rebellion, although La Liga aimed for peaceful reforms, not revolution. That same night, he was exiled to the Pitan, a remote town in Mindanao under surveillance. July 17, 1892. Rizal began his life in exile in the Pitan. Torture struck death. He turned his exile into a productive period. He practiced medicine, particularly helping the poor, and even performed eye surgeries. He also taught local children, built a school, conducted scientific research, and helped improve the water system and infrastructure. July 3, 1896. Rizal was granted permission to go to Cuba to serve as a military doctor during a yellow fever outbreak. He boarded the ship España heading to Cuba via Spain, but the plan changed when the Philippine Revolution broke out on August 1896, led by the Katipunan. October 6, 1896. Upon arriving in Barcelona, Spanish authorities intercepted him, suspecting he was involved in the revolution. Without trial or hearing, he was detained and shipped back to Manila. November 3, 1896. Rizal was imprisoned in Fort Santiago, Manila. He was kept under close watch while the Spanish preferred charge against him. He spent his time writing, including his final work, Mi Ultimo Adios, My Last Farewell, a poem secretly hidden in the stove and later discovered. December 11 to December 13. Rizal faced a formal investigation. The Spanish accused him of being the leader and inspiration of the revolution. He denied involvement with the Katipunan, but admitted that his writing and ideas may have influenced some Filipinos. December 26, 1896. Rizal was tried before a military court, or court-martial. Despite the lack of the direct evidence linking him to the rebellion, he was found guilty of rebellion, sedition, and forming illegal association. The court sentenced him to death by the firing squad. December 28, 1896. Governor General Camilo Polavieja approved the execution order after reviewing the verdicts. December 30, 1896. Rizal was executed by a firing squad at Bagumbayan Field, now as a Rizal Park. As a final act of defiance and dignity, he requested to face the firing squad, but he was denied. He managed to turn slightly as he fell, so he landed facing the sky. His last words were, Consummatum est, or it is finished.